In 1999 conflict in Kargil. In mid-1999, illegal insurgents and Pakistani soldiers from Pakistani Kashmir infiltrated Jammu and Kashmir during the winter season. Indian forces regularly moved down to slower altitudes as severe climatic conditions makes it almost impossible for them to guard the high peaks near the line of control. This practice is followed by both Indian and Pakistan army. The terrain makes it difficult for both sides to maintain a strict border control over the line of control. The insurgents took advantage of this unoccupied vacant mountain peaks in the Kargil range overlooking the highways in the Indian Kashmir that connected Srinagar and Ladakh. By the blocking the highway, they could cut off the only link between the Kashmir Valley and Ladakh. This resulted in a large-scale conflict between the Indian and Pakistani Kashmir armies. The final stage involved major battles by the Indian and Pakistani forces, resulting in India's recapturing most of the territories held by Pakistani forces. Fears of Kargil war turning into a nuclear war provoked the then United States President Bill Clinton to pressure Pakistan to retreat. The Pakistan army withdrew their remaining troops from the areas, ending the conflict. India regained control of the Kargil peaks, which they now patrol and monitor all year long. 2000 Al-Qaeda's involvement in a letter to the American people written by Osama bin Laden in 2002, he stated that one of the reasons he was fighting America was because of its support for India on the Kashmir issues. While on a trip to Delhi in 2002, U.S. Secretary of Defense Donald Rumsfeld suggested that Al-Qaeda was active in Kashmir, though he did not have any hard evidence. An investigation by a Christian Science Monitor reporter in the 2002 claimed to have unearthed evidence that Al-Qaeda and its affiliates were prospering in Pakistan administered Kashmir with tacit approval of Pakistan Inter-Services Intelligence Agency (ISI). In 2002, a team comprising Special Air Services and Delta Force personnel was sent into Indian administered Kashmir to hunt for Osama bin Laden after report that he was being sheltered by the Kashmiri militant group Harkatul Mujahideen. U.S. officials believed that Al-Qaeda was helping organizing a campaign of terror in Kashmir to provoke conflict between India and Pakistan. Their strategy was to face Pakistan to move its troops to the border with India, thereby relieving pressure on Al-Qaeda's elements hiding in the northwestern Pakistan. U.S. intelligence analysts say Al-Qaeda and Taliban operatives in Pakistan administered Kashmir are helping terrorists train in Afghanistan to infiltrate Indians administered Kashmir. Fazlur Rahman Khalil, the leader of the Harkatul Mujahideen, signed Al-Qaeda's 1998 declaration of the Holy War, which called on Muslims to attack all Americans and their allies. In 2006, Al-Qaeda claimed they have established a wing in Kashmir, which worried the Indian government. Indian Army Lieutenant General H.S. Panang, GOC in the Sea Northern Command, told reporters that the army has ruled out the presence of the Al-Qaeda in Indian administered Jammu and Kashmir. He said that there is no evidence to verify media reports of the Al-Qaeda's presence in the state. He ruled out Al-Qaeda's ties with the militant group in Kashmir, including Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. However, he stated that they had information about Al-Qaeda's strong ties with the Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed operations in Pakistan. While on a visit to Pakistan in January 2010, U.S. Defense Secretary Robert Gates stated that Al-Qaeda was seeking to destabilizing the region and planning to provoke a nuclear war between India and Pakistan. In June 2011, a U.S. drone strike killing Ilyas Kashmiri, chief of Harkat-e Jihad al-Islami, a Kashmiri militant group associated with the Al-Qaeda's Kashmiri, was described by the Bruce Riddle as a prominent Al-Qaeda member, while others describing him as the head of the military operation for Al-Qaeda. Waziristan had been by then become the new battlefield for Kashmiri militants fighting NATO in support of Al-Qaeda. Ilyas Kashmiri was charged by the U.S. in a plot against Jalandhar Post, the Danish newspaper at the center of the Jalandhar Post Muhammad cartoon controversy. In April 2012, Farman Ali Shanwari, a former member of the Kashmiri separatist group Harkat al-Mujahideen and Harkat al-Jihad al-Islami, was appointed chief of Al-Qaeda in Pakistan.